Hello. So I got a viewer question on snapping apps, and the question was if it was possible to change a snapped app using a left swipe gesture. So I thought I'll do another video demo on how to use gestures and keyboard shortcuts to change apps within the task switcher and how to snap apps. I'll first start with tablet mode. So as you can see here, I've got tablet mode on in the top left corner, and I'll just get rid of the start menu. And to access the task switcher in touch mode, you just swipe in from the left, and then you're greeted with a thumbnail view of the app with the title. So if I want to snap an app, what I do is I can select one app and then drag it to one side, and then I'm greeted with three other choices so that I can autofill the right end of the screen. Now I can imagine that if you want to do some work and have your notes app on, but you just want to change to another app on the right side, what you would like to do is to just be able to switch this pane. So you would think you swipe in from the left and then you choose another app. For example, I'll choose this one. But then what happens is you get to full screen and you have to resnap and repopulate the apps. So that is not possible in tablet mode. And there was another question that if I swiped from the right, if I could drag an app to its place, but unfortunately you can't. If I press the app, you can see I can select it, but nothing happens. But something different happens when you turn tablet mode off. So if I go back and switch tablet mode off and get out of the start menu, you see that the two apps are snapped, but not like the snap view that you know from Windows 8 in tablet mode, but this is just the snapping of apps in desktop mode. Swiping it from the left gives the same behavior, but now you're greeted with an option to open multiple desktops. So in this case, I have two desktops where I open two apps side by side. So here I have two apps side by side, as you can see. And when I want to switch to another desktop, I just swipe, switch, and I have another two apps ready for productive use. But then it's the question, if I just want to keep this app open and I want to change this app, how do I do that? So when I swipe, I'll first go into this desktop and I'll transport the apps to the first desktop. So that's just swiping both down like that. So all apps are now in desktop 1, and desktop 2 is empty, as you can see, and desktop 1 now has not 2 but 4 apps. And when I select an app here, you can see it's repopulated. So, and in this way I can change it over. So I'll do this one as well, also resnap it. And now, because they're on the same side in this case, I can easily change the apps like that. But I cannot swipe indirectly and drag an app into the right like you can do in Windows 8. So I hope this video demo helps to show how you can do it. This is the touch part. I'll also try the keyboard side. So if I've got tablet mode off. So when I use the arrow key, I access the task switcher by doing Windows tab, and then I can use the arrow to select an app. So I'll do it again, and perhaps I'll change it to this one, and then you can see it gets into the right half just like you do with touch. And can you drag it to some place? So if I check this sports app and hold it and drag it, nothing happens. I can drag it into a second desktop, and for example also drag this one to a second desktop. Oh, lost connection there. There we go. And then drag this one over with the arrow. Now when I want to be productive and switch quickly, I only have to just press Alt Tab and just tab between the app or the desktop, and then with the arrows I can move across and then very quickly change between desktops to switch apps that way. So there are a couple of options, but the classic way of quickly being able to swipe an app from the left, that's gone. I hope this helps. Thank you. Bye bye.